If your Windows 11 audio was working perfectly yesterday, but is giving you absolute silence today, you found the right tutorial. It's so easy to assume your computer is permanently damaged when this happens, but 99% of the time, your PC simply confused itself and flipped the wrong internal switch. I'm going to walk you through the 3 easiest ways to flip it back, starting with a trick that takes less than 5 seconds. First, we need to make sure Windows didn't secretly change where your sound is playing. This happens a lot during background updates. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click once on your speaker icon. Right next to your volume bar, you will see a little arrow. Click on that. This opens up a list of all your speakers and headphones. Simply try clicking a different name on this list and play some music to see if it works. If you hear sound, you just saved yourself a headache. If you're still in absolute silence, don't worry. Fix number 2 handles a hidden Windows setting that likes to mute everything. Sometimes, a hidden setting meant to make your audio sound better actually glitches out and mutes everything. Let's turn it off. Click your Start button, type Settings, and hit Enter. Make sure System is selected on the left menu, and then click on Sound right in the middle. Scroll down slowly until you spot a line that says Audio Enhancements. Look at the drop-down menu next to it. If it says Device Default or On, click it and change it to Off. While we are on this screen, scroll down just a little bit more and click on Volume Mixer. Just take a quick look to make sure the app you are trying to use, like your web browser or music player, doesn't have a mute icon next to it. If your apps aren't muted and nothing is working yet, you're in the unlucky 5%. But don't panic. We just need to use the master reset. This last fix looks technical, but it is incredibly easy and completely safe. We are basically unplugging your computer's digital sound and plugging it back in. Go to your Start button, but this time, right-click it. From the menu that pops up, click on Device Manager. Look down the list until you find Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Click the tiny arrow next to it, so it opens up a new list. Click on your main speaker. It will usually be called Realtek or High Definition Audio Device, and click Uninstall Device. A warning box will appear. This is very important. Do not check the little box. Leave it totally empty. Just click the Uninstall button. Your screen might flash, and that is okay. Now, just restart your computer. When it boots back up, Windows will automatically install a brand new, glitch-free setup for your speakers, and your sound should be back. Let me know in the comments which of these 3 steps fixed your sound today, so I know what is working best for everyone right now. If your computer is still silent, leave a comment with your computer brand, and I will try to help you out. Give this video a quick like if it saved you a trip to the repair shop, and subscribe for more easy, straightforward Windows guides. See you in the next one.